everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the typical budget. I just wanted to, of course, drop in, check on everyone, see how everyone was doing. I hope your day and month is going very well so far. And I just wanted to show you all my monthly budget for the month of August. Now, the way I have everything written out, I did start on my first payday. So the first payday is here on the 14th, and it's going all the way to the payday in September. So instead of it showing 1 through 21, it'll just be for the month of August in which I get paid. So when it comes to paying the bills, AT&T was due today, which that's a automatic payment for $211.68. The electricity is due tomorrow, which I've already paid. Now where it says TCAP 1, I don't pay that bill, but I do want to remember that it's due for the 17th, where it says LCU. That bill is a credit card bill, which is $7.59. And I don't get paid again until the 28th, which would be my car insurance. And that bill is back to normal, so $256.07. And on the 1st, care credit is due, which is $191, and I am going to pay that bill off completely. For Capital One, I've already paid that bill with the previous budget. And on the 5th, the rent is due, which is $725. And on the 7th, Discovery is due, which is $107.98. And I don't have any more bills until my paycheck in September. So let's go ahead and jump into the other part of the billing. So I did go back to using my Michelle A5 budget printables from her shop. So this page here is the monthly bill pay tracker, and every time you pay a bill, you'll just go in and check everything off. So I did write down all of my bills and the date. Of course, I did already pay the electric bill for $133, and the Walmart section, that due date is blank. I don't really have a Walmart bill due this month, but I may end up paying some on it just because. And on this page here is the monthly budget. Now, since I don't know what my income is, I'll leave that blank, and then at the end of the month I'll go back and fill in the actual. So when it comes to the rent, my budget is $725 until December, which my rent will go up to $745, I believe, once we renew the lease this month. So care credit, I'm wanting to pay $192.69. For Discover, I'm going to pay $107.98. For AT&T, I'm paying $211.68. And for electric, that bill was $132 and some change. I did pay $133. For LCU, I am paying $759. For State Farm, I thought my bill would have been a little bit lower, but it wasn't, so $156.07. And for the emergency funds for the month of August, that amount is just going to be at $420. I may end up trying to save extra money, but the budgeted amount so far is $420. For cash envelopes, it's $300 $315. For sinking funds, it's $370. I did finally buy some headphones, and those were $85. For birthday, I am budgeting for $200. And just in case, I'm budgeting for $100. So when you add everything up, you will get $3,024.01. That's the budget for the month so far, which is not too much. I'm hoping that I would be able to save a little more money than the expected amount, but if not, that's totally fine. This month I'm kind of focused on not using any credit cards. I did call Macy's today and actually close that account. I know I probably shouldn't have closed it, but it's okay. I haven't used it in forever, and the limit isn't that high at all. I'm still on a no spend challenge with the Organized Millennial, and I'm doing great so far. She's doing great. I did watch her last video, and she's doing great with the no sticker spend, so that's good. I know this has got to be one of the quickest the quickest budgeting videos in life. I know I went through it pretty quickly, but I don't have that many bills to go through. The next video I would need to record is the budget by Paycheck for the pay that I did receive today. So stay tuned for that video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.